Hello to all of you guys. In this video we will explain to run a function in the writer class. First we are creating writer class. Writer class has two functions, to this init and printing. Init function has two parameters, to this name and age. Printing and printing function. Printing function is printing hello, my name is John. Okay. Here because why is hello, my name is John? Because we are calling name element of writer class of init function. Okay. And then John and 36 is parameters for init function. John is name parameters, 36 is age, and we are assigning writer class to p1, and we are calling printing function of writer class, and output is hello, my name is John. John is self.name. John is from self.name. Okay? Did you understand me? I hope you can understand. You can follow from social media account and YouTube channel. I hope you like it. See you later. Goodbye. Have a good time. See you next video.